Entity Tools Module Function Introduction, Continuous Copy, delete short lines. Continuous Copy. This command is used to continuously copy entities and allows for rotating, changing angles, and flipping the entities during the copying process. It is suitable for placing the same entity in different positions in various orientations. Click the Continuous Copy function. Select the entities to be continuously copied. Press Enter to confirm. Specify the base point. According to the command line prompt, if you want to perform related operations on the selected entities, enter the corresponding letter and follow the prompt to operate. Specify the insertion point. Continuous copy completed. Equidistant copy. This command is used to continuously copy entities at equal distances. Click the Equidistant Copy function. Select the entities to be copied at equal distances. Press Enter to confirm. Specify the base point. Enter the angle for equidistant copying. Specify the target point for equidistant copying or enter the spacing. You can directly click on the target point and the program will automatically measure the distance between the base point and the target point, copying the entity according to the specified angle. Alternatively, you can enter the desired copying distance, and the entity will be copied based on the angle and distance. After copying, enter X to end the operation. Continuous Move. This command is used to enable functions such as rotating and flipping entities during the moving process. Click the Continuous Move function. Choose the entity to move freely. Press Enter to confirm. Specify the base point. According to the command line prompt, if you want to perform related operations on the selected entities, enter the corresponding letter and follow the prompt to operate. Specify the insertion point. Continuous Move completed. Delete duplicate lines. This command is used to eliminate coincident line elements on the specified layer and connect consecutive lines on the same layer. Click the Delete Duplicate Lines function. Click on any entity on the layer to be processed for coincident line cleanup with the left mouse button to complete the automatic elimination of coincident line elements. After the task is completed, the command line will provide statistical results. Continuous copy completed. Delete duplicate entities. This command is used to eliminate coincident entities on the current layer. Click the Delete Duplicate Entities function. Select the entities to be processed for overlap handling. After completing the selection, right-click the mouse or press Enter directly to automatically eliminate coincident entities. After the task is completed, the command line will provide statistical results. Duplicate Entity Delete completed. Delete ultra-short lines. This command is used to eliminate very short line entities on all layers. Users can set the length of the short lines. Click the Delete Ultra Short Lines function. To reset the upper limit of the ultra short line, type D in the command line. Enter New Ultra Short Line Upper Limit. Select the ultra short line to be deleted, press Enter to confirm. After the task is completed, the command line will provide statistical results. Short line deletion completed. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.